Today, I'm going to be talking about the healthiest foods you need in your diet. I'll be covering a wide range of foods, from fruits and vegetables to whole grains and lean protein. I'll also be providing some scientific evidence to support my claims. Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to destination for all things health and wellness. We're here to provide you with valuable tips, tricks, and insights to help you lead a happier, healthier life. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help us spread the word. Thanks for tuning in. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are some of the healthiest foods you can eat. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for good health. Fruits and vegetables are also low in calories and fat, making them a great choice for weight loss or maintenance. Some of the healthiest fruits and vegetables include berries, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli and cauliflower, citrus fruits, tomatoes, avocados, whole grains. Whole grains are another important part of a healthy diet. They're a good source of fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied after eating. Whole grains also contain B vitamins, which are important for energy production. Some of the healthiest whole grains include brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, whole wheat pasta, oats. Lean protein. Lean protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. It's also a good source of iron, which is important for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Some of the healthiest lean proteins include chicken breast, fish, tofu, beans, lentils. Healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for good health. They help to protect your heart, brain, and other organs. Healthy fats also help to absorb vitamins and minerals. Some of the healthiest healthy fats include avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, fatty fish, like salmon and tuna. If you enjoy my content and want to help me keep making videos, please consider donating to my channel. Every little bit helps. So, there you have it. These are some of the healthiest foods you need in your diet. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy living content.